Hi, Rich from Enhance here. We've just fitted a BlackVue 750 witness camera front and rear to this 2021 Renault Clio. Just going to show you the installation here. So if we come inside the vehicle, we've got the witness camera placed just up here. This is a driving instructor's vehicle, so we have placed the camera behind his secondary mirror. If I bring you down here to my phone, which is connected to the device itself, we can see a front live view for the camera. If you tap this option at the top here on the BlackVue app, you can also see a live rear view for the camera too. Sorry, just get that in focus. And if we hit playback just here at the bottom, this will show all previously saved and recorded images from this device. From here you can download, save, cut and copy any of the videos should you need it for reference later on. If you'd like us to fit or quote for a witness camera on your vehicle, please contact us on 01622 737 393 or at caraudiokent.co.uk. Thank you.